Welcome to the next episode. This is Sung from Sky Academy. I'm the principal and director, and in this episode what we'll be doing is continuing on our work with simultaneous equations, and this time we'll be working with substitution as a method of solving simultaneous equations. So here's a classic example. Y is equal to 2x minus 3, y is equal to x plus 5. Solve by substitution. Here we go. Substitution, substitute means to replace. So what we're going to do is we're going to take y, which is equal to x plus 5, and replace it here with the x plus 5 on the bottom. Okay, so what you have is if you replace the y here with what it equals to, which is x plus 5, you get x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Does that make sense? Which you can then solve as an equation with one variable. So bring the 2x over to the other side, x minus 2x equals to minus 3, and bring the 5 over to the other side, which is minus 5 now. X minus 2x is minus x, which is equal to minus 8. X is equal to 8. Does that make sense? So if x is equal to 8, y would be equal to 2 times 8 minus 3. And the way we get 2 times 8 is we've substituted x equals to 8 into equation 1 again. So let's call this equation 1, and we'll call this equation 2. And we've substituted the 8 back into equation 1, which gives us y is equal to 16 minus 3, which is equal to 13. So y is equal to 13, x is equal to 8. So what that essentially means is that the point of intersection between these two lines, so if you've got two lines that look like that, where they cross will be at the point 8, 13. Let's have a look at this equation. Let's call this equation 1, and let's call this equation 2. Rearrange equation 2 would be the first way to do, and make y the subject of the formula. So 2x plus y equals 1 becomes y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Does that make sense? Yep. Cool. What we do then is sub equation 2 into equation 1. Okay? So y is equal to 1 minus 2x. We want to replace the y here with 1 minus 2x. So what we left with is 3x minus 2 outside of, and instead of writing y, we write 1 minus 2x, and that's equal to 5. Alright, so what we've done is we've taken this whole equation 1 and rewritten it with the substitution being made. Okay? So what we've got is 3x minus 2 plus 4x, because minus 2 times 2 is minus 2, minus 2 times minus 2x is plus 4x, two negatives make a positive, equals to 5. 3x plus 4x is 7x, is equal to 5. Bring the minus 2 over to the other side, it becomes plus 2. 7x is equal to 7, which means x is equal to 1. Substitute this back into here, alright? So y is equal to 1 minus 2, not x anymore, it's 2, 1, which gives us y is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, xy, so the point of intersection is 1 minus 1, okay? have a look at that. I know my algebra and the way that I solved the equation was a little bit rushed, but if you go back and have a look at the video at this episode and check to see that the algebra is correct, then this is basically the method of how you solve substitution type questions for simultaneous equations. Okay. Well, that's it for lines that intersect simultaneous equations. In the next episode, we'll be looking at how to find the equation of a line that passes through one point and the intersection of two other lines without actually having to find the point of intersection, without simultaneous equations. All right. So, looking forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thank you very much for watching.